Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. Now another AMC video. I made a while back a video on B-Big, and B-Big did very well. Okay, so again we had this ascending triangle, and then pre-market we had that breakout, and then it hit this price target very nicely. Okay, so congratulations if you did play this. Personally, I did not. And again, when playing meme stocks, the way I play it as is a lotto. Okay, so a lottery, only put in what you can afford to lose. But AMC has a very nice and crazy setup, and today is the day. The reason I wanted to make this video is because today is the day. If we have a red day and we break this support down, we're doomed. Okay, AMC is done for it. We're going back to 30. Okay, now I'll be again teaching you guys the ascending triangle, very simple, as quick as possible. And again, we have these A, B, C, D, E, and then we have the like the three supports at the bottom, and then we have the third breakout. Okay, so the third incoming breakout, and third time is the charm. Okay, so let's erase this. Third time is the charm. And another thing is, okay, so 50. Okay, the 50 level, that's a psychological number. People want to see AMC above 50, and if it breaks 50, people are going to buy it. So that is why the number 50 is also another great thing. If we do not hold 50, okay, I honestly think we're down for it, and we go back into the support. I can show you a example of a failed ascending triangle, but right over here on TradingView you can unlock like these waves, A, B, C, D waves, so you can chart out a B, C, D, E, and then this is going to be the breakout right over here. Okay, and then the price target right now is 55. That's also like another psychological number. 50, breakout from 50. 55 sounds nice, and then we have this very nice wick. Okay, volume is looking good. Okay, once we do break out 50, volume is going to be the key thing. Another thing why I made this video is because futures are looking very nice, and China did very nice today. Okay, BABA stock up 4%, very nice, and futures are doing great right now. If we can hold till pre-market and we break out that 50 level, I'll be alerting calls as lottos. Keep in mind, today is Friday. Okay, lotto Friday, so we can get same day expiration. And with this insane breakout on AMC, I'm hoping we can get 1,000% gain, because this breakout and then Friday expiration is going to be crazy. Obviously the IV is going to be very high, but as you can see, we're holding up on pre-market. Again, it is way too early. It's 4 a.m. right now, but as you can see, we gotta hold 50. And I wanted to show you a fake breakout. Okay, what if we did not break the 50 level? Okay, here is a example. Let's close the volume level out. Here is a example where we try to break the 60 level. Again, another psychological number, and as you can see, we have tried it like plentiful times, and AMC could just not. And eventually, once we did break this key support, it just fell apart, and it tried going for the next support right over here. And as of right now, okay, we got this. Okay, we gotta break this. If anyone is holding AMC, if we do not break this at open, that 50 level, it's going to look bad. Okay, we close off this support. Okay, my price target is going to be this 30 level. Okay, for AMC. Now, if we do break out, I wanted to go in like another video on my Elliott waves. I do have Elliott waves, but I'm not going to make the video on it right now because we have to break this ascending triangle. And again, I'm looking to play same day expiration on AMC. And if the market trades green today, again we have AMC and Riot, and if it trades horribly, okay, I would set a alert on Netflix right over here at the gap entry. Again, I've made a whole video on Netflix. So overall, hope you guys enjoyed this video. AMC looks very nice. Let's look at IWM, and overall hope you guys enjoyed this video, and make sure to hit that like button, make sure to hit the subscribe button. I'm trying to upload 3 times a day. And again, thank you for watching, and I appreciate you watching.